Are you tired of endless swiping and disappointing matches? Discover the best dating apps for men in 2025 that actually work. In today's digital landscape, finding genuine connections can feel like navigating a minefield of fake profiles, bots, and unrealistic expectations, but don't give up hope. We've uncovered the top apps designed to help you find exactly what you're looking for, whether it's casual fun or a serious relationship. You can find links to all these incredible apps in the description below to start your journey today. Number 1. AdultFriendFinder. Consistently ranked as a top choice for those seeking casual connections and hookups, cutting straight to the chase for clear intentions. It's a bold pick, but the community is vibrant and focused on adult encounters, making it surprisingly effective for its niche. Number 2. Tinder remains a powerhouse for finding hookups, famous for its simple swipe mechanism, but we reveal how men can truly master it to stand out from the crowd and maximize their matches. Despite its reputation, many men find surprising success here by optimizing their profiles. Number 3. Hinge shines as a popular choice for regular meetups and building more meaningful connections, specifically designed to be deleted once you find someone special. It forces more engaging conversations and less superficial swiping, leading to better quality dates. Number 4. Bumble puts women in control, requiring them to make the first move, which can be a game changer for men seeking genuine engagement and less aggressive interactions. It often leads to more respectful and serious conversations right from the start, a refreshing change for many. Finally, number 5. OkCupid offers a unique algorithm that matches users based on in-depth personality questions, making it fantastic for men looking for deeper compatibility beyond just looks. It's perfect for finding someone who truly aligns with your values and interests, leading to more successful long-term connections. Forget the endless frustration. These apps are your secret weapon for dating success in 2025, offering a truly effective path to real connections.